Hey guys, Alex here from Black and Yellow Pavement, and we're out here at 1050 Fountain Street North in Cambridge. We're going to be doing some crack sealing on this lot. We're going to slurry coat it and freshly paint the lines. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, guys, out here at 1050 Fountain Street North in Cambridge. Parking lot looks absolutely incredible. Hey, did you know that the snow is gonna melt 50% faster on this parking lot now because it stays rich black? If you wanna save on salt this winter, give us a call and let's help you guys out too.